Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A1 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture, which I'll be using the home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already open and visible. But for you, obviously open it up and have it visible on the screen. From there, hold the power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, after a moment, when you let go, it creates a screenshot, which you can see right here with a share and edit option, which will disappear after a moment. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find it, meaning the screenshot, in your gallery application. It will be visible under just the photos as the newest one, or under folders in screenshots. And you can see it right over here. So there we go, that is how you can capture your screenshot and where you find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.